Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade recipes. No matter how fancy the recipe is, the freshness of the ingredients plays a crucial role in producing delicious dish. Today's recipe I'm about to share, the crushed cucumber, represents why ingredients matter so much. Still, there are some tricks I'm going to share so the outcome stands out more. First of all, the cucumbers. Pick the most fresh and crispy cucumbers you can find. The baby cucumbers from the farmer's market will be an ideal choice. Remove the hard tips. Use the side of the knife to crush the cucumber before cutting into half-inch long chunks. The action of crushing is one of the tricks as it breaks the skin following the natural structure of the cucumbers, which allows the ingredients to be soaked in later on more easily. Please don't ask me for scientific proof, as I simply learned this from my mom. While beating the cucumber, rolling it so it can be evenly crushed from different sides. This is pretty much the most daunting task involved. We crushed about 2 cups of cucumbers. Next trick, add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix. One teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix again and set aside for about 10 minutes. This step is going to ensure the crisp of cucumbers while preserve the jade-like green color. No salt yet. Meanwhile, chop 2 to 3 little fresh red chili peppers. 10 minutes later, dump the liquid. Spray 1½ teaspoon of salt. Add in the red chili peppers. One teaspoon of oyster sauce or mushroom sauce for a vegetarian recipe. Garlic powder 2 teaspoons. Sesame oil 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Dark rice vinegar 1 teaspoon to balance off the spiciness. Mix and serve. It is super crispy, fresh, a little spicy, salty, and very appetizing. The look, the fresh red chili pepper pops the half-transparent jade green color, a beauty that stands out in any feast. All of these thanks to the fresh ingredients. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please do like and share the video to support my channel. If you're new, please also remember to subscribe for more exciting and easy to follow authentic Chinese recipes. Thanks and see you around.